How to fix Instagram post not showing on my profile. So, first of all, open up your App Store. In the search bar, search for Instagram and look for an update button. If you see it, tap onto it and update your application to its latest version. Updates often fixes app bugs and display issue. After that, open up settings. Scroll below, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage and then search for Instagram. Then tap on upload app, then select upload app one more time. After that, you can tap on reinstall app, then restart your phone, then open up Instagram and then sign back into your account again. If your posts are still not showing, you can check your profile using Instagram in a browser. This can help confirm whether the problem is with the app or your account. And finally, you can go ahead and simply tap on your profile icon. Then select three-line icon, scroll to the bottom and you will be able to find an option that says report a problem. Tap onto it. Then you can simply report about the glitch directly to Instagram. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking